Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. A place we said we would never come again. Sawmill City Road in Shelton. What is that noise? Sawmill City Road in Shelton. I'm thinking again of offering myself up here as bait, like I did last time on Velvet Street. This is not a street I want to offer myself up as bait on, though, but we'll see what happens. Who's here with us tonight? Let me turn off the high beams. I know we said we'd never come back here. We're here. Do you like that we're here?
Hey, cold.
You called? Who called? Man, this is very dark here tonight.
Mom died.
What is it?
Oh, Uncle.
Died?
Your mom died?
Wow.
You mom died.
Well, my mom's right here, so sorry.
Well, mine did.
So
It's not under.
That didn't sound good at all.
What did it say?
That sounded demonic.
What did it say?
It says something in like a Latin language.
Yeah, but it sounded like
Yeah.
something from a horror movie, like Keenan.
Yeah.
Well, I like coming here. Maybe I'm not going to offer myself up as bait here. Who's here tonight with us? Dick. What's that mean? To you too.
And Frankie.
Frankly.
Enzy or frankly, I'm not sure. What is who's communicating with us tonight? What are you slurping on? You slurping on the dick?
Blood.
Oh yeah, that, yeah. What are you slurping on? Where? I got I'm all creeped out here.
I'm freaked out too.
I was gonna keep the high beams off, but the hell with that?
This is a-
Yeah, it's been a while since we've been here.
I always wish.
Where week.
1 week. Nothing longer than that.
I wish we could see that
We're flooded.
owl.
Hey, you gonna play us some tunes? No. What is it?
What is that?
Who's a Koopa?
Because
I'll let you speak now.
Respect.
Respect.
multiple. For hope.
Something for help.
Smell it.
I can smell it.
Song by Bob.
Fuck.
Hey,
Okay.
I'm having your own conversation.
Somebody just put through my door over
Oh
there.
no, not this.
Here we go.
I'm putting that.
Yeah.
Don't start clicking on people's doors.
Windex.
Windic. It always
Junction set.
says a Windigo here. Every
We
time we
th-
come here. Shit.
What's a Wendigo?
You've asked that before. It's like a Native American demonic spirit, but they usually only come in like cold climates,
Yes.
like Canada.
Sound like your voice, Mom.
No, it sounded like that thing that comes up on your game at home. It went, Were you playing it?
It's against.
I have it on the screen, but it's on low volume.
Okay, so that thing that was hanging down, you said was a
This
spider?
one's fat. It said
He's come.
he's coming. Yeah.
It's gone.
Without the
He
Where'd it
said
go?
this one's fat, and then it said he's coming. Who's coming? Maybe the guy in that
Say.
truck. Insane. Probably went back up because of like the light. A lot of activity here. See, because we haven't been here in so long.
And spiders don't crawl up that fast. What was that?
I don't know.
What?
That's funny. It said. Again, it said your mom died.
Wow.
Oh, is she here? Ada Bell?
Oh,
Don't start again with the fucking windows.
What happened?
yeah overnight.
What
The
happened?
window went down.
yeah.
Yeah, it did. Don't start with the windows.
Christopher, don't jump and yell like that.
No, it scared me too.
She also said.
I didn't even hear it.
Fuck. This
Oh.
fucking place.
We won't be long.
We haven't
I
been.
saw a shadow blind out there in the grass.
Haven't been here so long.
And I thought something touched my arm.
All night. We're not gonna be here all night.
No.
You're not allowed to touch us.
The area.
The area. Why are you starting to touch us and play with the windows? It's so weird. That only happens here with the windows.
I know.
What?
Oh, yeah, they like to fucking scare you.
It only happens here.
How do you like it, Chris? Alright, that's it. Let's go.
We changed.
We changed.
Okay. Then let's change and be
Office.
nice.
The
That could be.
I'm not gonna run from those spirits trying to open my damn
come up.
I
window.
just saw orange.
That no, I saw it.
Tiny
It was
crack.
like a big moth.
Okay.
the war. And in this, to achieve this,
To achieve it. To achieve what?
Dane Maggie.
The deep. What is
We
it?
cannot-
A D9?
Stalk.
Who's stuck?
Stalk.
Stalk? Are you stalking us? Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah.
What? Why do we need to be quiet? Alright, let's all be quiet. Are we gonna open up the window again? Come on. I'm waiting for it.
Don't provoke.
They don't understand.
You don't understand, it said.
It's
I don't want to be here.
You
some
don't
people-
want to come back here.
I know, but they're just very
was
aggressive
in-
tonight.
We haven't been here so long.
And these are
And it said your mom died.
Yeah, it's pretty dark.
Said it 2 times, too. We can always go to Jeremy's Swamp Road. I have no problem offering myself up as bait there. That was me.
Okay.
So it was,
Want to go to Jeremy's Swamp?
yeah, stay here for a little while.
And,
Enjoy it.
No.
It said I'm dying.
we're at.
one theft.
Where's down this one?
That one in Southville. The one near Audacity.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you had sent me that post that they
Yes.
built a new bridge or
Yeah.
something, and that part we park in that was all torn up, they said
Seemed
that's
like-
all filled in.
Oh.
Now, I don't know why. There's nothing over there, but we could
The-
go park there now. Like,
Oh,
we couldn't
okay.
park there the last few times because it got so flooded. Whoa! It hissed.
Time to leave.
Hey,
Of
no hissing.
isn't he?
I don't know how people live here.
Enter. Well, it probably wasn't
got
like this
British-
until we started coming here.
The European.
That was me. That sounded like water.
Used to it.
Used to it. What? Used to what? Us being here? You don't scare me.
Egg.
Again with the water.
Jeremy Swamp.
Maybe it wants us to go there. What the hell? Just saw something in those. Man, it
No,
might
but
have been my eyes. Do you like that? Yeah.
Meal, no.
Do
Is
you?
there a demon's name?
Milo.
About you.
I don't think so. No. Milo.
Slinkies.
Is Milo here? Shit. There's a cop.
Oh.
I ain't no cop.
Oh no, it's not.
No.
Oh, it's that car. Okay. Well, they're gonna call it, probably.
That guy is in a truck.
Yeah, this is the white part.
No, that's the guy who was pulled over
it's
that
not.
time.
I'm not doing nothing wrong,
Yeah,
Jim. I'm not
okay.
gonna steal a tree.
Okay, I'll put this back in. Motherfucker!
Specs.
What?
Fucking window open again!
Why do you open the windows?
Told me.
Fuck! I wasn't focused that time, yeah!
The water.
The water. The water makes you active?
It would be nice if you would stop opening the windows. We just want to talk.
Was patron.
Yeah, we're.
Yeah, we. Fuck. Oh my god, Jeremy's slump. Oh my god. I can't go yet. I got off. I got to go outside off.
I didn't say I
myself
got
off.
off. I'm like, oh.
No, I didn't get off. Trust me. All went like deep inside here. Fine.
Oh.
About my.
That was what?
Yeah. It's kit.
It's Kent? Stop with your weird tones. They killed what?
Of black.
Black? Are you a black man? Try to keep it PG here.
See, you're provoking when you do that. That's why they open the window.
Maybe.
Maybe.
No, I'm not trying to provoke.
It's a.
Enter them. Enter them. You're not allowed to enter us or the car.
Hey.
What?
My window was open.
Maybe it opened yours too without us knowing it.
I didn't even know it.
What?
Oh no,
I think you.
I opened
That was-
that.
oh,
I didn't
okay.
even realize that. I opened it on the highway.
67.
I think.
67.
I don't know.
It should say Route 67. It said 67.
I heard that.
Oh, is that? Were you 67 when you passed? Maybe because we were talking about Jeremy's
Little child.
wand. Oh, child. What the hell?
Spirit take.
It sounds like some black man. It's like, oh, child.
Oh, child.
Who's here with us? What's your name, sir?
So.
Can I get a name?
Something's touching my arm.
Stop touching him.
Say they.
You're not allowed to touch us.
That felt very good.
Did that feel very good?
No.
You're not allowed to touch us. You have to leave the car. I don't care if you communicate, but you cannot touch us. Do you understand me? In the name of Jesus, you cannot touch us or be in this car. You have to leave it.
Be you a plaster?
You're an imposter. What does that mean?
I'm from.
Not an imposter. All the things I say, I totally believe.
We will.
What do you mean by that?
Imposter, you don't believe in God, or
Yeah, well,
you're saying in
that's
the
not
name of Jesus,
A lie.
you're not following him.
a lie. Why?
Sorry.
Sorry. Well, I do believe in him.
See what comes next.
See what comes next.
Stormer.
Fuck. I don't know. She said, "See what comes next."
Not much.
See, aren't you glad you came, Chris? Whoa, Ma! It said, "Don't start with that."
It's over there.
No, it's not. Don't start with that. All the hairs.
And then
Well, I got no hairs, but
They're standing up.
if I had hairs, they'd be standing up.
Whoa!
Let's go to Jeremy's phone.
What, Chris?
Oh, you're doing that.
Yeah, there's footsteps out here.
Oh my! Oh, I was like, why is it flashing like that? But it's the fucking emergency flashes.
Say goodbye to sleep. I don't like it anymore.
I smell eggs.
Left he said. As a.
Do you smell them?
Yeah,
I do smell something now.
Okay, we're gonna
like
leave.
it.
I don't think.
Oh, fuck that!
Yeah, fuck this.
I'm gonna.
I don't like it.
Alright, we're gonna leave. Nothing's allowed to follow us. You have to stay here. Goodbye. In the name of Jesus, you have to stay here.